Hey YouTubers, Bruce and Donna here again from the cool Geerage. We have got some episode number 2 to explain into what we're going to do, and I'll let Donna tell you a little bit about what went on with the trailer and what we found out, and we got a good connection with an Abbotsford trailer dealer, right?
Yes, well actually we just brought it back from the trailer man in Abbotsford and we were pretty happy with the service.
Yeah.
I dropped it off, and when I dropped it off they took a look at it before I left, and they said, well, because we were originally wanting to flip the axles, and they were kind of inspecting our trailer, and they had said, why would you want to flip it, because the height is already quite high.
Yeah, at the Trailerman in Abbotsford, a fantastic shop, very professional, both Chris and Jen, dealing with them both, it's been amazing. We've had really good success there, and we'll just go on to explain a little bit of what we've done in this, and I'll just turn the camera over to Donna. So check this out. So when I talked to you guys last, we talked about raising the trailer up, and Chris and Jen said no, it's not a good idea because it's going to become too top heavy. The trailer is already a high trailer. What they've done is they beefed up the suspension. So I'm going to explain it to you what they did as quick as I can so it doesn't drag on. We got 4 new tires. These are load range E tires, heavy duty 10 ply, fantastic tires. I'll speak a little bit further on them. So they put 4 new tires on for us. They repacked the bearings. I did the bearings a couple years back. They were in good shape. And then if you look just right down in here, let's pass me the camera, there's a little connection down there that they have put together, and it's like a suspension dampener. And what else it is they've also beefed up the suspension underneath. It helps structure the strength of the structure, and so that worked out pretty good for us. And yeah, and then I talked to you guys last time a little bit about the door, what we wanted to do with the door. I was going to do this in my episode 2 here. I was going to do the handle and the stairs. I'm just going to do the stairs, and we'll call it a day at that. So what they did, I wanted a little bit of extra support in there. So as you can understand, the latch that they put on there, if you just go with the latch, somebody at nighttime can lock you in. Now you're screwed. You can't get out unless you go through the windows. So what they did is they added an additional feature over here that we can go ahead and lock that, and it becomes like a trailer door. It becomes safe. So there's no concern of anybody locking you in there. So moving on from here, I am going to be putting in today for you a set of stairs. It's from the Step Above company, and what it is it's an adjustable set that when they go in there, they adjust to uneven grounds, and it's a really good set of stairs, and that will be part of what I'm going to do in this episode. So anything you want to add to that, Donna?
Well, the stairs we bought from Amazon.
Yeah, that's right. The stairs we bought from Amazon, and they were $450 before tax. So I'll just kind of keep you posted as to what we've been spending. Okay, so here we go. Part of episode number 2. I am going to be taking these stairs and installing them, and I will be fast forwarding through this setup, and you will see the end result shortly. So there we go. I got the stairs installed, just roughly, really simple. Hey YouTubers, I'm back. For the end of episode number 2, we talked about the stairs going in, these stairs and how they go in there. The system I made, as I spoke earlier, we talked about a metal bracket. Here is a metal bracket here. It drops down like that. We have a catch here, it goes on there, like that, and it keeps the stairs solid. In transport, I'm going to use a different system with a bungee cord to keep it solid instead of rattling like that. But for now, that's how you do it. Quick release, drop them down like this. Donna, let me show you a really simple system in this here. So as you can see, it's basically 4 bolts, 2 there, 2 there. Sits, I had to cut out the metal plate that went out all the way across here just so it allowed the door to close. Have a look inside here. I've got a metal bracket that I've fabricated onto the wall, and all that does is it stays like that in transport, and then drop like that, and the stairs go in there. So it's finished. So it's a really easy system, very functional, and it makes us happy that we got a decent drop down set of stairs. So there we are, the end of second in our series of many. That was our stairs complete. If you like the video, like it, subscribe please, and just give me a thumbs up. Thanks for your time.